Hello there, I'm Kenobi and welcome to the Firebot V5 tutorial mini-series. This is a 15 plus part series so you can find the information you require fast. Let's go. Now this section we're going to be looking at commands. In the command section, if you're new to making commands, I suggest you do some research on what kind of commands you want. Firebot does have system commands in here, built in. So you've got your command list. This will list every command in your chat to someone. You can have it whispered. Will whisper, unless you change the permissions. You've got command management. So this allows you to add commands, take away commands, edit them. This is for your moderators. The roles should be set, but if not, make sure your roles are set and pull down. Custom role manager. So you can have certain roles for certain people to allow access in certain areas. You got your follow age, galactic credits management. Well, so that's just your in-stream currency management. Mine's called galactic credits. So that would change to whatever you call it. And you can change your command. And this allows you, and these are all built in. So you haven't got to add these, which is fantastic. You've got your credits add. Obviously, it'll change to whatever that is. So if you changed your command to coin, that will be !coin add, coin remove, coin give all, and coin removal. So set that with your permissions. Now, if you set your permissions here, so you set this to moderators only, all these should take that role as well. Then you've got your mixer age, quotes management, again all built in. So you got quote add, remove, edit user, so all the standard ones. You got Steam search to search the game on Steam, and how long you've been streaming. They're pretty much standards, but yeah, I wanted to show you this because stuff like this is fantastic with all added in. It makes it simple to see. You can change permissions and stuff. Like you can have give, and it built in as well. You can transfer coins between each other and set permissions to who can give coins or credits or whatever to each other. Then custom commands. So these are the ones you're going to be adding. So let's say we add a new command. You can set it so test. We want auto delete, scan the whole message. So if they put !test anywhere in that chat, then it will do it. So let's just take the capitals out just in case. It probably isn't case sensitive. I don't think Firebot used to be, but for the sake of purposes, you'll find out. And then you've got global second. So this is how no one else can use this for 60 seconds, and the user that does it can't do it for 2 minutes. Okay, so usage count. So this will tell you how many times that command has been clicked. So you can see if it's worth keeping or not, because you can have a big list of them. Your permissions, who's going to be able to do it. So you can do it by channel progression, so you know only certain people can do it. You can even have it so it's set to permissions. Add that. Give them the certain role. So I got, say, a Jedi. Only a Jedi can do the test. I'll show you how to create roles in later tutorial. And then allowing co-stream. So if you're in a co-stream, if they're in the other channel and put that in, it will allow it work here. Hidden, so no one can see when it's hidden from the command list. When they do commands, if you don't want everybody to know that command, take it out to there. And then the actual whatever you want to do it. So this is a test. You can have it set so it's the streamer or the bot. You can have it whispering instead of going straight out, add, and then save. Now if they then go into the chat, press !test, it should throw it back saying this is a test. Then your options, you can edit, disable it if you want. You can duplicate it and then just edit it a little bit, save some time, or you can just delete that. There's so many different commands you can make in so many different ways. I'm not going to go into each and every single one unless you want me to do a separate video on basic commands and stuff, but there's plenty of tutorials on, you know, best commands and all that kind of stuff on YouTube already. So that is it. Commands, apart from, like I said before, you can set these so they're activated in a button on the control button. So if you didn't watch previous video, it might be worth it. So like this button here, once it's selected, it activates this command here, the exclamation mark sub. So you can feed it from your mixplay board straight to your commands, and it does wherever that command is. So next I'm going to show you the chat feed. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.